Hey everybody, how's it going? So today we got to do a quick unboxing of an item I picked up from eBay. Don't really remember which item it is. It could be for the stereo that's going into the Limited. It could be items for the truck. So please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you for watching. What is up, everybody? How's it going? Alright, before we get started, please like, comment, subscribe, and smush the bell notification icon for future updates. This is going to be a pain. Okay. All right. So this is empty. So this should be the backup camera, and I don't mind that the box is partially ripped up or anything like that. BC8. You can still buy these from Crutchfield for $99. I decided not to purchase this from Crutchfield because I got this a little bit cheaper. I actually got this for 55 bucks. It's brand new. I don't think it's ever been used according to the photos of when I saw it. And the gentleman taped it up and everything. Come on now. There you go. You know, it's the item's going in the vehicle, not the box, so it didn't matter to me. Oh, there's some tape on the side. I didn't even notice that. Alright, so we have our Allen key as well as tape and glue. We have the backup camera, which still has its original glue mount on the camera. Camera looks like it's in great condition. It says warranty void if seal is broken, which the original cameras didn't come with this. I think this is a reseal. BC8, it's an OEM original Pioneer. So this is what I wired through the back door on my SR5, the actual hatch door. I wired it in to make it look nice. This is the wire harness that you plug this RCA into the back of the brown port on the stereo. This plugs into this guy from the camera. And then this red and black. So this red needs to be spliced to the parking brake cable for the hot, and then the ground needs to be spliced to a ground. And I'll show you guys that in another video to explain it. It comes with everything it's supposed to, including its instruction booklets, which is why I picked it up. I paid like 50-something bucks for the camera, which is not bad. I didn't want to pay full price. I saved a little bit of money. I didn't save like a ton of money. I think after shipping costs, which I think the shipping was free if I remember correctly, but after all the costs and everything, the taxes and everything, I think it was like 55 bucks after tax and everything like that. I could be less. I don't really remember. I purchased about 20 or so items or more in the last 2 or so weeks. Everything from parts for the SR5 to parts for the new Limited to stereo stuff for the new Limited. Which there is a stereo right here. So here is the 8200 NEX that I'm bidding on that ends today. So the brown goes right here. This stereo's got lots of features. It's got the GPS navigation antenna right here. It's got the video in and out here, HDMI. It's got video in and out here as well for the audio, or video in or out here. Video input. So you can actually hook like a DVD player or something to this port if you want. And then it's got your right and left audios for audio inputs for the video and everything. It's got a mic port, auxiliary port, a 3.5 millimeter jack to your phone port, mic port, rear audio out, couple USB ports, a diagnostic port, you know, so it's got lots of stuff on it. This is the one that's out of my SR5. Hopefully I don't have to put my SR5, the one I just showed you, that stereo, in the Limited. Hopefully I will have another one on the way today. And if I don't win that bid, there's another one for sale that's actually in an OEM Pioneer box, which looks like this box right here. If I move these, looks just like this box right here, 8200 NEX. And it comes with the stereo that doesn't even look like it's ever been taken out of the package. And that one is a little bit more money. It's like 200 bucks more, which is not a big deal. The one I'm bidding on is actually used, came out of a vehicle. It has all the wire harnesses and everything for that. I think it's like a Nissan Altima. And I'm going to end up ripping all the wire off that anyways, because I have a brand new wire harness for the stereo coming in, so it's not like I'm going to need any of that. But if I don't win it, you know, it's no big deal. There's another one for sale. The one that I'm bidding on right now doesn't even come in a box. It doesn't have the original box. It doesn't even have the original remote. So that is what it is. You know, I'd have to buy a remote. It doesn't even have the original manuals, but that's all I got for you guys today. I never recorded how I wired this the first time through the SR5 because it was a pain getting it through the hatch door. Because I actually mounted this where you have to put both your fingers around the camera to pull the release to open the back door hatch. That's where I put it originally, and it's always worked great. It didn't impede the door handle. It just, instead of being able to hold the whole door handle with all of your fingers, you gotta spread your fingers out and grab it like this so the camera goes between your fingers. It's not a big deal. It's kind of hard to find places on 2000 4Runners that you can put these cameras. You know, newer vehicles, they actually built the mirrors and the tailgates and you know, the back hatches and the back doors and everything. It's where the camera blends with the vehicle. On these old vehicles, it's kind of hard to make the camera blend. It just is what it is. But I do appreciate you guys stopping by. I will leave a link down below for the ND BC8. I will leave a link for Crutchfield if you guys want to buy it brand new, not in a kind of a messed up box like this. And I will also post the link on eBay. I think there's a couple more of these for sale on eBay if you guys would like to get it for a little bit cheaper. You know, and some of them they're charging like $10 less than Crutchfield, and it's $99 camera. If they're charging $89, you know, you can try to haggle with them. that's kind of what I did on this. I haggled with the guy, tried to get him to get it a little lower, because he originally wanted $92 for it. I'm like, it has free shipping, but it's only like $8 less than me getting it brand new. And he accepted an offer. If I remember correctly, it was like $47, and then it came out to like $55 with tax and everything. So he accepted my offer, which is I'm grateful for. I will try to remember to leave links. I've got tons of videos to do, and if I forget to leave a link, please just let me know when you guys see the video, and I will post it in the comments for you guys. I understand that, you know, when somebody says they'll leave a link in the description and they don't, it's frustrating, but you also have to understand that I do like 30, 40 videos a month, and I edit them throughout that month. Sometimes I don't edit them for 2 or 3 months because I'm busy with work, you know, kids, wife, and, you know, I was in a car accident recently, so that slowed me down. I didn't really do anything on YouTube for like the last 2.5 weeks since my car accident, and then I got the flu, which turned into pneumonia, and I'm starting to get over that. But you know, don't be upset if I forgot to put a link. I understand that I say I will, but when you do over 1,000 videos a year, it's kind of hard to keep track. And if I do forget, just leave a comment and say, hey, can you provide that link? I think you might have forgotten or something, and I'll do my best to get the link for you immediately as soon as I see the comment. We're all flawed. None of us are perfect. And I just hope you guys understand. Thank you guys so much for stopping by. Please like, comment, subscribe. Smush the bell notification for future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links, my Acme Tools affiliate links, my DJI Electronics affiliate links, as well as my Ohio Power Tools affiliate links. One last thing, this camera has some pretty amazing night vision. Where I placed this on the 2004 Runner, right underneath the rear hatch release. I put it right under that, like this. Like that. I glue it to the housing with the reverse lights when they are on, because I have LEDs and aftermarket lights, tail lights. This actually has amazing night vision because the reverse lights are white, and it puts out a ton of light. So this actually does work really well at night, especially with the reverse lights. It's okay for everything else, but it's exceptional at night with night vision. The day view is way better in color, but I just wanted to let you guys know that. I appreciate you guys stopping by. Hope you guys have an awesome rest of your day. And I hope to see you guys on the next video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Peace!